can do this. I am my own person. I don't need to rely on my hair. Okay. Okay. I just need like there she is. Oh my gosh, she's home, thank God. I just need like palette in the background playing so I can remind myself that this is what I want. I can do this and that. This is okay. Oh my God, I need to like say a prayer. Okay. Oh my God, it's so real. I'm sorry, you're probably watching this like, what the fuck, can you, this girl just hurry? But like, guys, just remember, I've been growing this out for 6 years. Okay, I need to stop talking and just like, okay. Oh my God. My mom is going to kill me. This was on my head. Holy fuck. Denise is gonna walk in like 2 seconds and she's gonna be like, what the fuck? Oh my God, this is so much hair. Jesus, can we just, like, what the fuck? Oh my God. It's not as flowy as the white girl. Because I've been watching like videos of people doing this and like as soon as they cut their hair, the hair is like super, you know, beautiful. And I'm not. Do it on yourself. I've never cut my hair before.
Now when you cut your hair no longer defines you, Chrissy. You're not hide behind your hair.
Can we get Jasper?
This is so funny!
Oh my God. Look at this! Oh my God, my mom's
This is so weird.
Me. This is so fucking weird. Oh my God, what should I do? I feel like I should hang it up on my wall!
Oh my God. You like them? It looks so cool!
Okay, we have to go. We're gonna be